Leadpages Review 2026, the best landing page builder for your business, my honest review. Look, in 2026, if your landing page takes more than 2 seconds to load, or if you're guessing which design will convert, you are failing. You don't just need a builder, you need a tool that is obsessed with leads. You need pages that load instantly and templates that are backed by millions of conversions. In this video, I'm giving you my honest, in-depth Leadpages review for 2026. We're diving into the speed, the legendary templates, and the conversion features to answer the biggest question: is Leadpages the absolute best landing page builder for your business right now? I'll break down the pros, the one major con, and give you my final verdict. And stick around because I'm giving you the exclusive path to getting their best deal. The direct link to check out Leadpages and grab their best current pricing is waiting for you in the description below. Don't miss out on those conversion-tested templates. 2. The core advantage, built purely for conversion. What exactly is Leadpages, and why has it remained a conversion powerhouse for years? Unlike general website builders, Leadpages is laser-focused on one single metric: getting the lead. Every feature, every line of code, and every template is optimized for speed and conversion rate. Why this matters? Leadpages hosts your pages on high-speed servers and automatically strips out unnecessary code. This results in lightning-fast load times that drastically reduce bounce rates, which is crucial because Google penalizes slow sites and visitors leave if they wait more than 3 seconds. When you use Leadpages, you are buying speed and high deliverability. Who it's best for? Marketers, agencies, small business owners, and affiliate marketers whose success depends entirely on maximizing lead capture from ad traffic. 3. Feature Deep Dive, the legendary conversion templates. The biggest reason people choose Leadpages is their massive library of conversion-tested templates. This is their secret weapon. You see, most builders give you pretty templates. Leadpages gives you templates that have been tested against thousands of competitors and are proven to convert at high percentages. They categorize them by conversion rate, so you don't have to guess. You choose the one with the highest proven success. Drag and drop editor, while it's not as free-form as some competitors, this is actually a benefit. The editor guides you toward proven layouts, ensuring you don't accidentally mess up the conversion architecture. Lead meters and tips. Leadpages uses AI, data-driven insights to analyze your page as you build it, giving you real-time tips on how to improve its conversion score. It's like having a conversion consultant built into your software. This template library is invaluable. To start with a page that's already built to convert, check the link below and dive into their library. 4. Feature Deep Dive, flexibility and publishing. One of the platform's biggest underrated strengths is how easily it fits into your existing workflow. Publish anywhere. You can publish your Leadpages funnel to a dedicated Leadpages domain, to any WordPress site with their plugin via HTML, or even by integrating directly with your own root domain. This flexibility is unmatched. Lead boxes, pop-ups. They pioneered the high-converting pop-up form known as a lead box. These two-step opt-in forms significantly boost sign-up rates by reducing initial commitment friction. Native integrations. Leadpages connects seamlessly with all major email service providers like MailChimp, GetResponse, ConvertKit, and CRMs right out of the box, making sure your leads are instantly routed where they need to go. If you need a tool that plays nicely with your existing tech stack, Leadpages is a true team player. The verdict, the one major con. So, is Leadpages the best? Yes, if your goal is purely lead capture, but let's be honest, no review is complete without the downside. The major con: Leadpages is not a true website builder. While you can build multi-page websites, the tools are conversion-focused. If you need robust blogging features, e-commerce stores, or complex membership areas, you will need to integrate Leadpages with another platform like WordPress. It's specialized, which is a strength, but also a limitation. So here's the final breakdown for the 2026 version of Leadpages. Feature, rating, verdict. Conversion templates, 5 out of 5. Best in class, proven results. Page load speed, 5 out of 5. Extremely fast, optimized for mobile. Ease of publishing, 4.5 out of 5. Works perfectly with WordPress and all domains. Pricing and value, 4 out of 5. Excellent value if you capture a lot of leads, but slightly higher entry cost than basic builders. Overall recommendation: best for lead capture and marketing funnels. If you run ads or need a high-converting single-page experience, Leadpages is unmatched. If you're tired of guessing and want to start building marketing pages that are guaranteed to convert, Leadpages is the smartest investment you can make this year. To get started with Leadpages and check out their latest plans, I've dropped my recommended affiliate link right down in the description below. Click that link to ensure you lock in their absolute best current deal. This is the year you stop leaking revenue and start converting leads into dollars. If you found this honest Leadpages review helpful and want to support me, the best way to do that is to use my link when you sign up. Are you going to try out those conversion tested templates? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe to Digital Tech Biz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Go capture those leads. Peace.